less, okay? All right, so that's the first part. We have 10x plus 8 is less than or equal to 12x minus 18. And then we have our second part, which is that one, 12x minus 18, 11x plus 14. We are going to solve for this. We are going to solve for this like how we solve for equations. Okay. So minus 8 on both sides. Carry that down. 10x is less than or equal to 12x minus 26. And then you subtract 12 on this side. X. So that's negative 2x, negative 26. Okay, the last step is to divide by the coefficient of x, which is negative 2. Do not include the x on the bottom. All right, if you do that, then this side, both of it will cancel out. Just the coefficient, the 2. Okay. Since we are divided by a negative value, the number on the bottom is negative. The inequality flips around. So x is bigger than or equal to 13. We are going to do the same thing for this side. Plus 18, plus 18, cancel that out. Let me take care of the step 2. Minus 11x, minus 11x, cancel that out. You can do multiple steps at a time, all right? So that's 1x, 12 minus 11 is 1. And 14 plus 18 is 32. Okay, 1x is the same thing as x. All right, next we are going to sketch the graph for this. So on the number line, somewhere on the number line is a 13 to the right of the 0. And the 13 has a closed inequality, which means it's a closed circle. Okay, and somewhere on the number line is a 32, which is to the right of 13 because it's bigger. And it's also a closed circle, closed inequality. All right, so this is how you read this thing. X is bigger than 13, which means it's moving this way, okay? And over here, X is less than 32. So it's going this side. So the shady part is between the two values, all right? So that's your graph. Next, let's write the inequality. So 13 closed circle x closed circle 32. And of course we have our interval notation 13 comma 32. Both are closed inequality, all right? So 1, 2, take care of that. 5 minus 10x 215 plus 4x. Then we have 10 plus 12x negative 237 minus 7x. All right. The reason I got 10 because 2 times 5 is 10, 2 times 6 is 12. Then we are going to solve for this. I will be doing more than one steps at a time. Minus 5, minus 5, cross that out. Minus 4, minus 4x, cross that out. Negative 14x, bigger than 210. Okay, and then we'll solve for the other one. Oops. Okay, 12 plus 7 is 19x. Negative 237 minus 10 is negative 247. All right, this is something that is wrong. Flip. Do not flip your inequality because you are not divided by a negative value. Okay? The negative 247 is already there. It doesn't change the inequality. All right? Only when you divide or multiply by a negative value. If this is a negative, then you flip, but it's not. So, stay the same. Thus, negative 13. Pew, pew. Okay, so let's graph this. We have a negative 15, which is somewhere over here. Open circle. That's less than. And the negative 13 is somewhere to the right of negative 15 because negative 13 is bigger. X is bigger equal to close circle. Go to the right. Infinity, negative infinity. All right, so close circle, negative 13, comma, infinity. Negative infinity, negative 15, open circle. Okay? Union.